Salad, chicken wings, chips, burger, so muna ang the ground zero burger, TGZ burger. Look at that. Wow, look at the meat. Ooh. Bacon and the patty and some chips. Actually, dako siya kay or gamay akong kamot. Let's eat. Let's try the TGZ burger. Size reference. Kita pa unaw. And one bite. Here it goes. For our second order of business, chicken quesadilla. Look at that. Humot siya, humot. And nachos on the sides. On the side. Siso daw ning kaning quesadilla. Chicken, of course, chicken and iyang wrap. Homemade tortilla wrap. Okay, let's try the chicken quesadilla. Second order of business and chicken quesadilla. Ayan. Quesadilla. I think ang nakahumot na is kaniyang onion or something. Let's try it. Of course, some nachos. So that ends our food vlog here to the ground zero in Dumaguete. So far we enjoyed the burger and katong ilang quesadilla kay fresh jud ang tortilla wrap and ang ilang patty itself fresh and katong burger bun po nila is soft and tasty. So far so good among experience here sa the ground zero Dumaguete City. So thumbs up. So that ends our food vlog. My name again is Peejay. Sa mga hindi pa pala nakapag-subscribe, hit the like button, comment down below. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you again next time.